Today, I'll show you how to approve a payment in detail step by step. I'll explain how the approval process works, how each level approves or rejects a request, and how the status updates automatically. So let's get started. I'll create a page for approval.
Region, Payment Status. P23_payment_NO holds the target payment's primary key/number. Use it in the update where clause. P23_status, a select list with a static LOV. Pending 0. Approved 1. Cancelled 2. Return values are what you store in the table. Now I'll link the report to the approval page. Now a process needs to be created to update the approval. After creating the button, I added a process named Payment Approve. This process updates the payment record based on the selected status as pending, approved, or cancelled. It also records who made the update and when. Once submitted, the record gets updated instantly in the database. Next, I created another process to close the dialog automatically after the approval update is completed. Now I'm testing if the approval process works. When I approve a payment, the status should update, the dialog should close, and the report should refresh. It's working. Now I'll add a condition so that once a payment is approved, it can't be saved or updated again. As we can see, after approving the payment, if we open it again, the Save button is disabled, preventing any further changes.